How to sign in your account using Google in HeyGen. First, you have to open any browser. Now on the search bar, type in HeyGen. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of HeyGen website, and here on the top right corner you can see sign up for free option, and you can also see this login option. If you have already created an account, you can click on this sign up for free button, and to log in to your account using Google, click on this login. Here, if you have login using your email ID and password, type in your email ID here on this first field and type in your password on this field and click on sign in to log into your account. Now to sign in using your Google ID, you can click on this Google button. After that, choose your Google account and click on your profile. Now click on continue. Following the simple and easy step, you have successfully logged in using your Google ID account in HeyGen. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.